Hello, viewers! Today we'll take a journey through the entire history of the United States in just one video. From the native tribes to the rise of a modern superpower, we will cover everything step by step. Stay tuned until the end because every chapter is filled with fascinating events. Native America. Thousands of years ago, humans first arrived in North America by crossing the Bering Strait from Asia. They gradually built settlements in different regions, like the Adena, Mississippian, and Iroquois cultures. They practiced farming, hunting, and rich cultural traditions. In the Pacific, Polynesians reached the Hawaiian Islands between the 1st and 10th centuries, creating a unique culture of their own.
European colonization. In 1492, the arrival of Christopher Columbus marked a turning point. Soon after, Spain, Portugal, France, and England established colonies across the continent. Spain expanded in the south, France in Canada, and England along the eastern coast. This led to conflicts with native tribes, the spread of new diseases, and massive cultural change. Road to independence. The 13 colonies grew rapidly, but Britain kept raising taxes. This sparked the famous slogan, "No taxation without representation." Events like the Boston Tea Party fueled the resistance. Finally, on July 4, 1776, the colonies declared independence. After 7 years of war, the Treaty of Paris in 1783 officially recognized the United States. Expansion of the nation. In 1803, the Louisiana Purchase doubled the size of the young nation. Later, Florida, Texas, California, and Alaska were added. This westward movement sparked the legendary era of the Wild West.
The Civil War. But division grew between the North and South. The main issue was slavery. While the South wanted to keep it, the North opposed it. In 1861, the Civil War began and lasted for 4 long years. In 1865, the Union emerged victorious, and slavery was abolished. Rise as a world power. By the late 19th century, America was industrializing rapidly. After the Spanish-American War of 1898, the U.S. gained new territories. World War I, 1914 to 1918, increased America's global influence. However, the Great Depression of 1929 brought the nation into a deep economic crisis. World War II and the Cold War. In World War II, 1941 to 1945, the United States played a decisive role in defeating the Axis powers. After the war, tensions with the Soviet Union led to the Cold War, which lasted for decades. During this time, America advanced in technology, economy, and military power, shaping the modern world. Civil rights and modern America. The 1960s saw the Civil Rights Movement, which transformed American society toward greater equality. In the 21st century, major events like the 9/11 attacks, wars in Afghanistan and Iraq, and the 2008 financial crisis brought new challenges. Yet, the United States continues to be one of the most powerful and influential nations in the world. And that's the incredible journey of America's history, from a land of native tribes to a group of colonies, and finally into the modern superpower we know today. How did you like this quick trip through history? Let us know in the comments below. And if you love history, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you next time!